Hello and welcome to Texet. In this video, we will be unboxing the Texet LMA4 EX Personal Laminator. On the front of the box, we have an image of the device itself. Over here, we have a few of the use cases and a few of the features of the device. First up is a jam-free release system. Over here, we have the different use cases, as it is ideal to laminate certificates, drawings, documents, sketches, computer prints, invitations, passport photos, and calendars. The features continue on the bottom right here as well. It is ideal for home and office use. It has a maximum pouch size of A4. The jam-free release system feature has been repeated here as well. It has a fast warm-up and a maximum laminating speed of 60 seconds per A4 sheet. The bottom of the box is pretty much the same as the front. The left hand side simply has the branding and image. Same on the right. Up top we have the features in multiple languages. And the back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, apart from the sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information and the customer care details. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of an instruction manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the laminator, as there are a couple of modes that you need to be aware about. Over here, we have a multi-plug adapter with a standard 3-pin Indian plug, and this has been provided by the manufacturer because the plug type on the laminator is not of the Indian kind, so it's really nice that the manufacturer has provided it for us already. Coming to the laminator itself, we can see that it has a black color theme going for it. The Texet branding is right on top. Above that, we have some cautionary information stating that this side will be hot, so do not touch it. Over here we have the exact name of the product. Over here we have the capacity, which is maximum of 125 microns and a max size lamination size of A4. To the right hand side, we have the ready and power lamps. The ready lamp basically tells you if the laminator is hot enough for it to start laminating, and the power button is self-explanatory. On this side, we have the insertion side of the unit, and on the opposite end we have the side which gives you the completely laminated side, and to the side of that we have the jam release button as well. On the right hand side we have a switch which is basically something like a rocker. Currently it is in the off mode, which is in the middle. If you switch it to the left hand side, it will start the device in cold mode. That is for self-adhesive pouches. In the middle it's off obviously, and to the right we have the more traditional lamination pouches which require them to be heated. It is advisable to let the laminator heat up for 3 to 5 minutes before you start using it. Coming down we have the cable. It's a flat type cable and is approximately 4 feet long. So this was the unboxing of the Texet LMA4 EX Personal Laminator. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.